Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice emoji. You can see here. So the circle it was previously done. Now I'm going to draw a line, curved line. To going to draw the eye. All right. You can see the tears. There's a line. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to do the eye on the other side too. All right. So let's draw another curved line like a half circle here. All right. So I can see, and the curved line you can see on this side. All right. So here you can see I'm going to put other waters as the guy is crying. You can see. All right. All right. So you can see the basic shapes. Now I'm going to put the colors. After putting the color, you will understand all the parts, and this is going to be clearly visible. All right. All right, so you can see the drawing. This is going to be good. Let's put the ash color here on this segment. All right, now I'm going to put the blue color for the eye here. So you can see the blue is all around it. All right, so this is the blue shade. You can see another blue shade I'm going to put here. That's all around the black eyeball. You can see. All right. All right, and you can see the blue eye drops here. So same color I'm going to show you. So the eye drops on the left side, this is also done. Now I'm going to put the uniform color for all over the face. So let's fill up inside the circle with this marker. You can see I'm just putting color to the borders. Okay. All right. So here you can see that the drawing is complete. So this is a nice graphical presentation of the emoji. I hope you like it. You can browse through the categories in the playlist and follow other choices. Thanks for watching. Next we are going to bring more videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.